Well, I'm back and I have a quick little video today. I've finally assembled one of these boards. This, whilst I've had many boards manufactured, this was the very first I've had done with PCBWAY. I've had a few done since then, so this video is a little bit out of whack. This is actually a little video balun tester. So it's for these little video baluns, these specific ones. They're used for extending video signals down Cat5 cable. Now, because when you're crimping Cat5 cables, and I'm dealing with some people who are somewhat untrained in that department, they're not always wired properly. Although even when you do it your best, you can still have one wrong. So I made this little gadget to give to these guys in the field to test everything out. Now the idea is there are 3 of the pairs in a Cat5 for these baluns are used to carry power, and the other 2 are used to carry signal. So I have a little 4-pin header, which we can see on the other side here. This is designed to give you access to both power and signal. I'm using AHD cameras most of the time, so I can connect my AHD camera tester to these 2 pins should I need to. In this particular assembly, it hasn't been installed. There's a few little hiccups I've had to make, like bridging these 2 connections here and whatnot. But other than that, let's just demo this. So one of the primary features about this is you can also test the power supplies as well. You can plug in here and see what your power is. If we flip this over, we can see my house battery is currently running at 12.5 volts. You can also, of course, plug in on this side and it will pass the power through. It will also allow you to get power directly from this unit at the end of a Cat5 cable. So let's plug this in and demonstrate how this works. So let's get Cat5 cable in here and we'll open up one of these video baluns. We'll take the female end here and we'll plug power in, and you can see there's an indicator light there. Now we will plug in this unit right here. Okay, so we have 3 green lights, which means the power is connected correctly to 3 of the power pairs. If I now happen to disconnect the power at the source and then intentionally connect it reverse polarized, you'll see we instantly have warning lights telling us that the polarity is backwards. However, now that it's correct, it's showing that, and we can see here power of the balun is feeding signal to this, and this will also allow us to feed this in from either end, and it works just as well. I'll probably produce these as a kit in the near future, and yes, but they're good for testing cables and also testing baluns and power supplies and all the rest. This does also mean with the correct adapter cable you can connect it in line with a camera and determine if there's a voltage drop or a short or all those kind of things as well. It helps you diagnose many of the common issues with CCTV cameras. But anyway, that's just a quick video. I thought you might like it. I'm going to move on to some more stuff very soon. I'm going to do part 3. I'm going to do part 3 on my video. I'll try again. It seems to be everybody wants to send messages right when I'm doing this. Anyway, coming up soon is going to be part 3 on my 12 volt UPS board design as well. So you'll get to see some of that in the near future. Anyway, for now, I'm going to go check a bunch of messages. And that also means I have to spend twice as long editing this video now. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the electronics videos. There's a little bit of bushcraft coming soon. That'll probably end up being a 2-parter. It didn't go as planned. But anyway, hope you guys are having some fun. See you guys later. I'll be back soon with something a bit longer than this.